Alright, you are welcome back again. I really appreciate you for coming back, and then if you are new here, smash the subscribe button. Today I'm going to show you my top 3 math solvers, and then as the thumbnail and then the title of this video says, for your homework. Okay, I honestly believe that this can only help you in your homework and not in a final exam or anything, right? Okay, so instead of go online, look for a tutor, and you don't want to understand the concept, you just want the tutor to do your work for you. I think that is more expensive, okay, to go online and pay a tutor $15 per hour to do your homework for you. That is way too expensive. I believe that these 3 resources can help you solve your homework without necessarily going to look for an online tutor. So my top 3 math solvers, that would blow your mind. Okay, maybe you know them before already, but maybe you don't. If you don't know them, this is going to be a very great discovery. Top 3. So my number 3 is going to be Mathway. So this is Mathway. You search Mathway on Google and then you select it. This is Mathway. Now when you come on Mathway, you are seeing all of these ads because I have not paid for the premium version yet. This is just for teaching purposes. Okay, when you come to Mathway, on your top left you have these 3 lines here. When you select it, it gives you different kinds of topics, different kinds of courses that this particular math solver can solve. So ranging from basic mathematics to physics, right? A little bit of physics. Okay, so this does not really change much. Here when you click on the enter problem, the keyboard will show. Right now, the reason I'm showing this because depending on what you choose, the keyboard will be different. So here I'm currently at basic math, so you see the keyboard is different. If I go to trigonometry, the keyboard is different. Now what this does is it just gives you certain things you need for the course in handy, right? Obviously, if you are doing trigonometry, one of the things that you would always see is your trigonometric functions. If you want to do precalculus, these are things that you need to do your precalculus and all of that. So this is very cool. Now let's see, how do you use this particular math solver? Okay, let's assume I want to do basic math, like I want to do 2 on 5 plus 3 on 2. So you just press solve and it will solve it for you, right? So it says that to add fractions, find the LCD, lowest common denominator, and then combine, right? So if you combine, that will be 19/10. This is in decimal form, this is 1.9. In mixed fraction form, that is 1 whole number 9. So if you were using this to solve your problem, let's say a multiple choice problem, regardless of how the answer is being presented, you would find it here. Very simple. Let's assume that I'm solving a problem like a quadratic 2x squared. Okay, so x squared minus x minus 6. So it's asking me, what do I want to do? I want to factor this. So it's factored it, right? In one parenthesis, the root are x minus 2 and x plus 2. The thing with Mathway is that you can get a screenshot of your problem and then upload it. It will solve it for you. I took a screenshot from here. Okay, good. I have this, so I just make sure the problem is in this particular red markings. Select it. It will analyze it and then put the question here, right? What do you want to do with it? Boom. I want to find, let's see, the discriminant. The discriminant is 1. You know how to find discriminant? B squared minus 4ac. Discriminant is 1 here, right? Very simple. So that is how you do it. This can do from basic mathematics to even the most complex algebraic problems, right? But again, in this video, what I want to do is to present my top 3 math solvers to you. So I'll move on to the next one. Second on the list is Wolfram Alpha Computational Intelligence. So you go to Google, you search for Wolfram Alpha Computational Intelligence. When you come here, you just enter what you want to do. So the same way what I did 2/5 plus, I did a plus on my calculator on my keyboard actually, and you go compute, right? So it solves it, and it even gives you pie chart. It presents it in different forms that would make you understand it, right, step by step, right? So let me just solve it. Look at that. So it solves it for me. This is a geometric figure here. It already gives me the plot, the solution, everything here. This is when you use completely squared. It gives me the roots. It gives me everything, the discriminant, right? It gives you everything you need to know about this particular equation. This is number 2 on my list. Okay, so I would go in depth in a subsequent video how to properly use these tools. So subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification button so that you can always have access to my future videos. Now let's go to the top one, right? What is the number 1 on my list? Number 1 on my list is Symbol Lab. Go to Google, enter Symbol Lab. Now this is Symbol Lab Math Solver. This is how the interface looks like, right? To solve any problem, you just have to enter the problem, right? So 2 divided by 5 plus 3 divided by 2. You just enter like that. I find Symbol Lab very flexible to use. I find the interface very nice, and then I've really loved it. Out of the 3, Symbol Lab is what I've been using for a very long time. Okay, that's why I'm rating it first. So you can also put in the comment below which of these 3 is your favorite, which one you did not know but you know now, and then how you intend to use this great resource. So let's see. You just click on go, and then it solves it for you. This is insane, right? It just tells you exactly how it solved it. It says find the least common multiplier. So this is not a premium account. I have not logged in yet. You can see that I have not logged in yet. I have a premium account here, but I have not logged in yet. So this is how it would look for you. The steps are logged, but you would always have the answers, right? I will do a feature video on how to go around the premium version and then still be able to find all the solutions. So it's first of all, it finds the roots for you, and it tells you how it did it. This is, among all the 3, this is the most interesting one for me personally. You may have your favorite. Just let me have that in your comment section. I really appreciate you watching this video. Subscribe, because I have a lot of tools that would really benefit you in your studies, okay? And then I have a lot of videos explaining different concepts. You can send your homework to me via serendipitymedia.2022@gmail.com.